Hello everyone, I am Kushilava Krishna. I study in class 4 RN Poda School, Santa Cruz, Mumbai, and in today's video I am going to talk about India's national symbols and the emblem of India. So let's begin. Before I talk about them, let me tell you what is a symbol. And symbol is a picture or sign which represents or indicates something. We come across many symbols in our day-to-day life. For example, on roads, hospitals, railways, offices, schools, parks, etc. But in today's video, we are going to talk about India's national symbols. So first, we have the national flag of India. The national flag of India is a tricolor horizontal band which has three stripes. The first stripe is saffron in color, which represents sacrifice, strength, and courage. The second stripe is white in color, which represents truth, peace, and purity of India. There is a Ashok Chakra or the wheel of the law in the middle of the white stripe, which is inspired from the Ashoka wheel. Now let's talk about the third stripe, which is green in color, which represents fertility, growth, and prosperity. Now let's talk about the national anthem of India. Jana Gana Mana, composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, is the national anthem of India. Do you know Rabindranath Tagore got the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1913? It takes 52 seconds for us to sing our national anthem, and whenever it is sung, we stand up as a mark of respect. Now let's talk about the national song of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his well-known book Anand Math. Dr. Rajendra Prasad gave it the same importance as the national anthem Jana Gana Man of India. Now let's talk about the national calendar of India. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Let me tell you all of the 12 months of the Saka calendar one by one. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyestha, Ashad, Shravana, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirsha, Paush, Magh, Phagan. So now let's talk about the other symbols of India. National flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It represents wealth and prosperity. The national bird of India is peacock. It represents beauty and grace. The national aquatic animal of India is river dolphin. They are also known as susu because of the sound they make while breathing. The river Ganga is the national river of India. It is one of the most important rivers of India. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. It is known for India's unity. The national animal of India is the tiger. It symbolizes strength and enormous power. The national fruit of India is mango. There are different varieties of mangoes, and it is also known as the king of all the fruits. Now let's talk about the Indian symbol of the currency note. The Indian currency note is a mixture of the Devanagari R and the Roman R. There are two lines on the top which represent the Indian flag. Now let's talk about the national emblem of India. The national emblem of India is inspired from the Ashoka's capital at Sarnath. There are 4 lions standing back to each other. The 4th lion is hidden from our view. They represent power, courage, sacrifice, and pride. They stand on a box-like shape which has a horse on the left side which represents loyalty, speed, and energy, and a bull on the right side which represents hard work, devotion, and strength. And in the middle is the Ashok Chakra, also known as wheel of the law. The national emblem of India is the official seal of India, and it is that's why you see it on the notes and the coins of India. So have you ever taken a coin on a note, and have you ever seen you will see that the national emblem of India is there, and on at the very right and left corners there are the outlines of small wheels, and at the end is written Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone wins. And do you know that the Satyameva Jayate is also the national motto of India? Now let's talk about facts from Kushi. Number 1, the elephant is an integral part of our history. That's why the UNESCO World Heritage Site made elephant our national heritage animal. Second, the Namami River Gange project was launched by the Indian government in July 2014 so that the river Ganga was less polluted, and it also helped in saving a lot of river dolphins and other aquatic animals which lived in the marine surface. Third, do you know that the national motto of India, Satyameva Jayate, and the national emblem of India were made the national symbols on the same day, which is 26 January 1950. Fourth, do you know that a king cobra is the national reptile of India? It is the longest venomous snake and it can inject more than 6 milliliter of venom in a single bite. I hope you like my information. Thank you and Jai Hind.